Hello, I'm Christoph Stegemann. I'm sales manager with BWL, and I'm proud to introduce the machine at the backside of me. This machine has been designed for big German OEM and is dedicated to wash vehicle aluminium housings in a particular way. That means the operator is loading the part to a dedicated workpiece holder. The machine automatically provides the part in an upwards position to the loading height of the machine and is loading the chambers automatically. The chamber one is a washing process. This process means there's a dedicated washing of blind holes and channels to reach a high cleaning requirement. So the second step will be the overall washing. That means the flood washing process in this chamber. After 120 seconds, which is actually the cycle time, the chamber will be drained and the part will be moved automatically to the second step, that is the rinsing process. Even in the rinsing process, we have a dedicated nozzle system. So that means the machine will dock automatically to that nozzle system and will flush the inner channels of the parts. There's also an overall washing process to reach the entire cleaning demands. Afterwards, the part will be moved to the high-performance vacuum dryer that dries the part to 100%. After drying, the part will be moved automatically to the unloading position where the operator can unload the part.